Greetings to all who have ventured here, embarking upon a splendid journey above the snow-cloaked realm of Flagstaff, Arizona, through the eyes of a soaring drone. In this extraordinary voyage, we are far more than mere observers. We are participants in a story of remarkable depth, where the past entwines with the present, unveiling the splendor of the natural world in its purest form. Our odyssey begins in the annals of time, where the ancestral Puebloans, along with the Kohonina and Sinagua cultures, first tread upon this land. Their profound connection with the earth, their resilience and ingenuity, have left an indelible mark upon the landscape, with remnants of their existence whispering tales of harmony with nature. Progressing to the year 1876, a band of settlers, driven by the fervor of a nation's centennial celebration, bestowed upon this place its name by the simple act of planting a flag amongst the pines. This gesture, emblematic of the enduring American spirit, marked the dawn of Flagstaff's storied history. The advent of the railroad in the 1880s marked a pivotal chapter, transforming Flagstaff from a serene enclave into a bustling center of commerce and industry. The era beckoned to the bold and the visionary, each contributing their unique thread to the vibrant tapestry of this burgeoning community. From our elevated perspective, we gaze upon the historical heart of Flagstaff, where buildings from the Victorian age stand as custodians of history, now alive with the hustle and bustle of modern life. These architectural treasures, set against the backdrop of the city's cultural vibrancy, offer a glimpse into a rich and diverse heritage. Our gaze then ascends to the heavens, where the Lowell Observatory stands as a monument to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Here, amidst the early 20th century's challenges, astronomers peered into the vast unknown, expanding our understanding of the cosmos and securing Flagstaff's place in the annals of astronomical discovery. As we meander through the gently falling snow, the natural beauty of Flagstaff unfolds before us. The majestic San Francisco peaks, revered by indigenous tribes and nature enthusiasts alike, serve as a breathtaking backdrop, inviting the intrepid to explore their pristine slopes and hidden valleys. Nestled beneath this wintry veil lies a hub of intellectual and cultural vibrancy, thanks to the presence of Northern Arizona University. This institution is a melting pot of innovation, fostering a lively art scene that celebrates the enduring spirit of creativity and community through music, theater, and festivals. And as we drift above this enchanting tableau, let us not overlook Flagstaff's pioneering commitment to preserving the night sky. As the world's first international dark sky city, it stands as a bastion against light pollution, ensuring that the stars continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of our humble place within the cosmos. As our aerial odyssey draws to a close, with snowflakes still cascading from the heavens, we are left with a profound appreciation for the indomitable spirit of Flagstaff. From its earliest inhabitants to the explorers of the present, from the trailblazers of yesteryear to the custodians of the celestial, Flagstaff is not merely a place on a map. It is a living, breathing story, inviting us all to partake in its magnificent journey. And so, dear friends, let us remember, this exploration, seen from the skies amidst a historic snowstorm, is merely the prologue to an adventure of unparalleled beauty. Indeed, it is a tale most extraordinary. Now, if you have nothing better to do, enjoy the rest of this drone footage.